Hello guys, I am Tripura. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you 3 braided hairstyles that are easy, simple and which will take you under 5 minutes. So let's get started.
For the first hairstyle, I am going to middle part my hair and part my hair into 2 sections. Then I am going to take a strand of hair from one section and cross it over to the other section. Then I am again taking a section of hair from the other section and crossing it over the second section. Continue doing this till you reach the end of your hair. Then I went in and pulled out few strands at the front for more casual look. For the second hairstyle, I am going to put my hair in a low ponytail. Then I am going to section my hair into 2 halves. Then I am going to secure one half with an elastic. Now I am going to make a hole in this section and pass the other half through this hole. Now I am again going to secure the other half with an elastic. Now I am going to make a hole and pass the other section through this hole. Continue doing this till you reach the end of your hair. Now I am going to pull my hair out a little for a more voluminous effect. For the third hairstyle, I am going to part my hair in 2 sections. Now I am going to twist both the sections in the same direction. Make sure that you are twisting both the section in same direction. Now cross one section over the other section in opposite direction. Continue doing this till you reach the end of your hair. Secure it with an elastic. This is the final result.
Okay guys, if you try any of these hairstyles, don't forget to post a picture and tag me in the Instagram. And if you like this video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.